Reading of simple sentences. Let's start. I can see a car. Read it again. I can see a car. I can see a tree. Again, I can see a tree. I can see a cat. Again, I can see a cat. I can see a house. Again, I can see a house. I can see a jug. Again, I can see a jug. I can see a train. Read it again. I can see a train. I can see a lollipop. Again, I can see a lollipop. I can see a burger. Again, I can see a burger. I can see a butterfly. Again, I can see a butterfly. I can see the school. Again, I can see the school. I can see the pillow. Again, I can see the pillow. I can see the chair. Again, I can see the chair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Fun for everyone. Thanks for watching.